Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to my amazing sa pyara sa channel Physics Universe. I hope you are all fine at your home and we are enjoying this online lectures. So guys, today's our topic is refraction at spherical surfaces and by lenses. So basically earlier we discussed about plane mirrors. So reflection by plane mirrors, then reflection by spherical mirrors, convex mirror and concave mirrors. So here refraction by lenses, which is transparent medium. So here whenever a light ray incident on a transparent medium, it will get refracted, and that incident light just changing its direction throughout this journey. So here we are now studying about this topic. Now our next subtopic, we cover it in next video. So thank you so much for viewing my videos till the end. That means a lot to me. Please like my videos and subscribe my channel.